buckle up, because the world is drowning in sugar. Astoundingly, the average person consumes about 70 pounds of sugar every year. That's equivalent to eating 21 teaspoons of sugar every day. It's a startling fact that brings us to the topic at hand, the alarming impact of sugar on our health. We're on the list of health issues related to sugar consumption is a long and scary one. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even dental problems are just some of the conditions that can arise. In fact, studies show that people who consume 25% or more of their calories from sugar are more than twice as likely to die from heart disease. But it's not just about the sugar you add to your coffee or the sweet treats you indulge in. Sugar lurks in the shadows of our food supply, hiding in many processed foods we wouldn't even consider sweet. Salad dressings, breads, and even canned soups can be packed with sugar. Yeah, this sneaky ingredient makes it all too easy to consume more than the recommended daily limit without even realizing it. The plot thickens when you consider the addictive nature of sugar. The more sugar you eat, the more your brain craves it, setting up a vicious cycle of consumption and temporary satisfaction. This cycle can be tough to break, but understanding it is the first step towards regaining control. So what's the takeaway from all this? Sugar, while delicious, can be dangerous. It lurks in unexpected places, contributes to a host of health problems, and can even hijack your brain to keep you coming back for more. But knowledge is the key, and by understanding the risks and being vigilant about your intake, you can make healthier food choices. Sweetness isn't all bad. It's about finding the right balance. There are healthier alternatives to sugar. They can still satisfy your sweet tooth. Fruits, honey, and even dark chocolate can serve as natural sweeteners without the negative health impacts that conventional sugar can have. The key to reducing sugar intake is moderation. Remember, every step you take towards reducing your sugar intake is a step towards better health. So don't be too hard on yourself. It's all about balance. And every small step you take towards reducing your sugar intake is a victory. In the end, it's about making informed choices for your health. Now, armed with this knowledge, you are better equipped to navigate the sweet and often misleading world of sugar.